Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. So as you guys saw in the title, today we're doing a grocery haul. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna show you everything I got, and as always I like putting the prices for you guys. And yeah, so let's go ahead and start. We'll start with the vegetables. So we got some russet small potatoes. We just got some baby carrots. And then we got some asparagus. I just got some green beans. I just got some green onion. I got 2 sweet potatoes. I got I think it's called a yuca. Anyways, my boyfriend likes to boil this, and then he will eat it with like rice or chicken or meat. And then I just got 2 cucumbers. Then I got 2 zucchinis. I just got some apples. Next, I just got some Brussels sprouts. I just got some pears. This is a mango. It's just a different mango. Like, I don't know what the name of this one is, but it's not your regular mango, I guess. Next, I just got this coconut. Next, just some bananas. We got some red seedless grapes. And next, I got a seafood pie. It is in the oven right now. And then we just got some pita bread. Next, we got a pack of 2 packs of breads inside. We got exotic mango. We got tropical passion, another tropical passion. And then we got a tropical food drink. This is really big, you guys. It's like bigger than my head. Next, we got a guava drink. So we got this Earth's Own almond milk. Next, this strawberry and guava nectar juice. Next, we got strawberry soda. Next, we got cooking cream. This is the 35% one. And next, we got some stuffed olives. Next, I just got less salt chicken broth and beef bouillon. And then we have 2 sauces. I have the marinara one and also the rosé one. It says that it's made with cauliflower. I'll show you guys a close-up of it. And this one is just a regular marinara sauce. Next, we just got some tomato paste. And then coming to the cheeses, we got some mozzarella cheese for like lasagna. Then we got Swiss cheese for bagels, for pita breads and sandwiches. Next, we got some Philadelphia whipped cream. And for the meat and the fish and stuff, we got... I'm just gonna put this inside the freezer because it's starting to melt already. This is pink salmon, so it looks like that. So we're just gonna cut that up in slices and probably fry it. Okay, so for the meat and fish part, you guys saw the salmon, and I just got the crab flakes that you guys know I always get. I just got some bacon for when my daughter has her friends over. I like to do this as a breakfast in the morning with eggs. And then we got some codfish. And then I got some chicken breast with no bones. And then we just got another pack of chicken. And then we got some ribeye steaks. We got 3 of those. And then we just got these tempura shrimp. These are so good. We put them in the air fryer. Next, we got just some French fries. And then we just got some hard-boiled rice. We got some of the cheese slices for sandwiches. Next, we got ravioli. This is the cheese and spinach ones, and I love these with the rosé sauce with this here. And I also put cheese inside, grated Parmesan cheese or any other kind of cheese. Next, I just have some cat food. I have more cat treats over here. So we have some of these pistachio cookies. My boyfriend loves these. Oh, I forgot to show you guys the ketchup. So we have ketchup as well. We ran out. And then I got 3 packs of the savory tomato and basil. Next, we got some Oreo cookies. Next, we just got some of these hickory smoked bacon julienne potato chips. Next, we got some of these Ritz sandwich bits cheese flavor. This is the tomato and basil baguettes, and I love these with the cream cheese that I showed you guys earlier. And same thing with these. These are the canapé sesame. Next, we got this creamy bacon carbonara pasta. My daughter will do this by herself when I'm not home. And then we got these sweet and salty granola bars. You guys know that these are my daughter's favorites, so every week we get these. And then I got the Smucker's Magic Shell. I love this on ice cream. It becomes like hard chocolate. And then I got another thing that I found is chocolate cookie ice cream and dessert topping. And this has chocolate cookie pieces and dark milk and white chocolate chips. So I can't wait to put this on my ice cream. How yummy does this look? And then obviously I had to pass by the Easter chocolate section. Yeah, that was next to the cash. And I ended up just buying two things. I didn't want to overdo it, but I got these milk chocolate eggs and I want to put them inside my little bowl. You guys know I always put chocolate inside, so they look like this. And then I got my favorite, the Reese's miniature ones. And yeah, guys, so that's it. So right now, guys, I need to clean out my fridge. So we're gonna do that together. Okay guys, so I put all my containers like this. I don't know if I'm gonna leave them all like this, but we'll see. So let's put everything away. Hey guys, so today we were out and we were just in the car and we decided to stop at another grocery store. I'll show you what I got. So I got this chicken breast roast for sandwiches. And then I just got these spicy dill pickle chips. And then I found these prime rib beef burgers. And then I got these fully cooked chicken drumsticks with honey garlic inside. Then I just got 2 lean ground pork. I normally buy beef, but I like to mix pork and veal and beef in my lasagna. It's really good. And then I just got these Baby Bell cheese. And then over here I got some tortillas. And then we just got this Giuseppe garlic fingers. Next we just got the white chocolate macadamia nut cookies. We got some Nutella. Some of these chocolates that were for Easter that were 50% off. And then we also went to the dollar store. We got some rice cakes, some Werther's Originals, some more butter toffee candies. This is all for the car. And then some bubble gum, some Kinder Surprise for my daughter, and then some Belgian chocolate over here, some Twix, some bagels. These are the cheese ones. And then I got this, the first time that I see this. I can't wait to try it. It's a donair kit. So this is it for this haul. Okay guys, so I'm back with another haul. So for this time we have some fabric softener. Then we just got a pineapple, some eggs, a box of Cheez-It, 2 apples. Then we got some candy, some mayo, some soft drinks, clementines, strawberries. We got some margarine, this tropical juice. We got some gnocchis, a pack of Dunkaroos, okay guys, so I'm back with a bonus haul. I'm going to show you what I got. Before I edit my grocery haul video, I'm going to put this haul as well. So we just got some bread. This is the ciabatta ones because we're going to make sandwiches later. So for the cold cuts, we got mortadella. We got some turkey, smoked turkey. And you guys, they have made the prices so high. And then we got some capricoli and some salami. This is Hungarian salami. This is our favorite one. And then we just got some lettuce, some tomatoes for the sandwiches because I had run out. And then over here I just got 3 Granny Smith apples, 2 avocados, 5 lemons, and then I just got roasted garlic tomato sauce. I got 2 of these. And then over here we just got some steaks. There are 4 inside. They have pepper. And then I just got some chicken drumsticks. And then for the cheeses, I got this provolone picante and camembert cheese that I love. And yeah, guys, so this is what we got at a Italian grocery store. Hey guys, I'm back with a bonus haul for you. I have Costco and I have Walmart, and I think this is gonna be my last bonus haul. I got some crispy chicken wings. These are the Pinties. They're seasoned, cut up, and fully cooked. And then I got the mixed nuts that we always get. And then I was happy to find these, the lobster raviolis. I can't wait to try these. I know everybody was buying them. And then we got the raw shrimp. These are the pack of 4 bags. This is the one that we always get. And then we just got 2 baguettes to eat with the cheese that we're going to heat up in the oven. We got these pills for when I get migraines. And then we got these salmon. I love this salmon, you guys. Okay, so from Walmart, I got this shredded cheese fondue mix. And then I got some of this fresh mozzarella. I got some homestyle ranch. I got some leeks. I like to do soups with this, like cream of leek. And then I just got these cheese dippers. 2 things of feta cheese. And then I just got these Twizzlers Yummies and also these Gold Bears. Next, I just got some baby spinach. I love this with eggs. And then this is the first time that I get this. I've got this brand before, but I got the green tea. And now I just got this one. It's called Relax Plus Herbal Tea Calm. And then I got this naan bread. This is garlic and cilantro. You guys, let me know if you've made pizza with these. I really want to try to make sort of like a pizza with tomato sauce and cheese. And then I got my favorite cheese, the Swiss cheese. This is the nutty one. Tastes really good. Next, I got this Boursin cheese gourmet trio. And then I just got 2 cans of cat food. And then over here I got some miniature marshmallows. And then just 2 things of Crest. Some evaporated milk. My boyfriend likes this in his coffee. And then just a little Heinz ketchup. And over here I found these. They're called Bottega Balocco. I don't know how we call those cakes. And then I just got some soft soap. This is a Gently Coconut liquid hand soap. And yeah, guys, so this is everything I got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!